How to make money from YouTube without being monetized. Getting to 4,000 watched hours and 1,000 subscribers is really difficult. I mean, I know I'm doing it right now. But even if you're still not there yet, there's still ways to monetize your YouTube channel. So here are 5 confirmed ways to make money from your YouTube channel even if you haven't hit that mark yet. 1 is affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what that is, affiliate marketing is essentially promoting other people's products or services and getting a commission off of that lead or sale. Now you don't want to just put any affiliate program out there, because not only do you want to be sure that it's a good product, but that you use it, you can show it off, and you really become an advocate for that particular product. The great thing here is that you are a content creator. You can create videos about the affiliate program or the product itself, and within the description, put your affiliate link there. And if they go to your description link, click on that and actually make the purchase, you get the money from that. Now, the affiliate programs will depend on your channel, but for example, if you are a graphic design artist, start to showcase some graphic design programs like Adobe or Figma. If you're a photographer, you're probably going to want to show off equipment, do reviews on equipment, or showing what's coming out next. Now, maybe the hard part for you will be to find topics to create videos on where you can actually embed some affiliate programs into. There are some tools to help you out with this, like Tubebuddy, vidIQ. There are a few others, but I predominantly use Tubebuddy. Their keyword explorer is really great for finding topics that are trending or topics that would be great for your particular channel. Now, I use this all the time to find ideas for my next videos. Not only do they have a nice free tier, but it's pretty inexpensive to get going with their paid tier as well. But speaking about affiliate programs, since I love using Tubebuddy, I actually am an affiliate of theirs. So if you are looking for a great YouTube tool, use my affiliate link down in the description because it helps my channel grow. The next is Patreon. It enables your fans to support you with a monthly donation, and in exchange, you have the ability to give exclusive messages, videos, or even perks to your fans on Patreon. Third, sell your own products. A YouTube channel is a great way to promote or sell your products, but remember, no one wants to be sold to. If your channel revolves around your products, think about the 80-20 rule. 80% of the time, your content is around giving free advice, free content, anything that's really going to help out your user base. And 20% of the time, you're going to subtly promote or make sure that they're aware that you offer a service or a product that solves that problem as well. Number 4 is that you can create a course. Now, don't get me wrong, the internet's full of fake gurus, but if you truly are an expert in your field and you have value to give, create a course and use your YouTube channel as a way to promote yourself, and there are a few ways to do this. Your channel could showcase tutorial videos that are little snippets of the overall course, but ultimately solve their problem within that particular tutorial video. What I've also seen on YouTube would be people that release a quarter of their course free on YouTube and allow it to just promote itself. You have a quarter on there, and if people want to see the rest of the course, you can link them to your full course and they can pay there. At that point, you're giving so much value that it's almost an easy sell for a customer to come and see your full course and already have a taste of what they're going to get within the course. Lastly is email marketing. Use your YouTube videos as a way to bring people to an email list. At that point, it doesn't matter what platform you're using, you always have a way to connect with your audience. The email that you send out could be showcasing the next video you've put on YouTube or the course that you've just released. Having your YouTube monetized is just a portion of where you can generate revenue. And if you're wanting to maximize your YouTube channel, take these tips and include them into your strategy. If you like the video, hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one.